Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexflips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 30th of May 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the updates of new videos from my side. Okay, now let's move towards the analysis for today's signals. Let's talk about the today's signals, which is for 30th of May 2019, and we are going to start with New Zealand USD. As you can see that I have supplied the bearish signal in case of New Zealand USD from 065217 and 065025 was the target price, and guys, you can clearly see right from the entry the market started to go down, and it has finally hit our entry and our signal got expired. So overall, if you have traded New Zealand USD, then you must have caught a very good profit. Okay, now let's talk about the USD JPY. So guys, this is the ongoing signal. This is closed at my end. However, if you want to trade it at on your risk, then you can. I have supplied the bearish signal in case of USD JPY from 109702 and 109396 is the target price. The levels are already drawn on the chart, and if it continues the bearish pressure like this, then the market can reach up to 109396. So overall, USD JPY is in a bearish zone. Okay, now let's talk about the USD JPY, AUD USD. Okay, a bearish trend was supplied to the subscribers in the morning from 069290 and 069155 was the target price. Guys, the levels are already set on my chart, and you can see we have a big drop on AUD USD today, and the market went into the lower red boundary of the trading system. It went beyond the barriers of the target price that I have supplied in my signals report. Then it entered into the red boundary, and then you can see, as per the trading system, the market is getting a bounce from the trading system, and that is why I say this trading system is best if used wisely, and if you trade it with caution, then you can get a very good trading results with the trading system. Okay, now let's talk about USD CHF. Okay guys, this trade is also on the way. USD CHF with a bearish expectation from 100883 and 100454 is the target price. You can see the entry is already broke few hours ago, and USD CHF is making the bearish pattern, and if this bearish pattern continues, then the market can go up to 100554. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY, another trade which is on the way, and you can trade it also. Great Britain Pound JPY with a bearish expectation from 138453 and 137820 is the target price. So guys, the level is already drawn on the chart. The market had already break the entry, and if it continues the downward pressure like this, then it can reach up to 137820. At last, I'm going to talk about AUD JPY, another satisfied signal of the day, and AUD JPY with a bearish expectation from my side from 76009 and 75631 is the target price, and you can see guys, the market is almost near to the target price. So if you have traded AUD JPY in a bearish way, like I have recommended in the morning, then you must have collected a very good profit. Okay guys, now this is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. You can see that the trading indicators are attached on my chart. How to use them effectively whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary, and if it starts gaining momentum from that area into the bullish manner, then you can take a buy position, and look, the scalper has given you the white arrow buy signal in the lower red boundary, then the market has moved up. When the market goes into the top red boundary, and then if it starts making the bearish pattern from the top, and also the scalper has also pointed you with a red arrow, and then you can sell the pair, and look, the market has gone down, and this is how we use the trading system. When the price monitor turns into red, it means that that's a sign of a sell signal. When it changes its color to green, it means that this is the buy signal, and this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexflips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.